Recommended list on the Start menu in Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. Press Windows plus I keys together on your keyboard to open Settings app. Click on Personalization on the left side of the window of Settings app. Then click on Start Settings on the right side of the window as shown in the below image. Click on Show Recently Added Apps toggle button to turn it on in the Start page if you want to enable it. Then click Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer toggle button to turn it on to show the recently opened items on Recommended Items. In case you want to hide the Recommended Items section, then you can turn Show Recent Added Apps toggle button off by clicking on it. Also, you can click Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer toggle button to turn it off as shown in the below screenshot. Close the Settings app window. Press Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Then type gpedit.msc in the Run dialog box and hit Enter key. Click and navigate through Computer Configuration Administrative Templates, Start menu and taskbar on the left side of the editor window as shown in the below screenshot. Double-click on Remove Recently Added List from Start menu on the right side of the window. Click on Enabled Radio button in the Remove Recently Added List from Start menu settings if you want to hide the recommended items. Then, finally click Apply and OK to make the changes as shown below. If you want to show the recommended items, click on Disabled Radio button in the Remove Recently Added List from Start menu settings. Click on Apply and OK to make changes. Close the Local Group Policy Editor window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.